Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome to your favorite subject and that is arts. What we are going to do today is we are going to make a wonderful thing and that is called a paper basket. Yes, what we need for that is 3 or 4 computer sheets, whatever you need, okay? One sheet for folding, one sheet for making handle, 2 sheets for making small flowers, and along with that we need a scissors and a UHU stick. That is what we need. And yeah, for making circles, we should have kind of some lid or any kind of cover. First of all, we are going to do it. Fold the paper and fold it like this. See, it should be like this. You get it? I think so. We should have to make it half. Yes. Let me make it half because it will look so big then, na? Big and long. See, you can cut it with the scissors. I am going to distribute it into pieces because I have a trick. See, now, yes, now I think so. This should be enough. This should be enough. Okay. I am going to open the UHU stick. Should be here. I'm going to open the UHU stick. UHU stick is open. Apply it over here on the edges. See? Wait. I am going to apply like this. Now just fold a little, wait. Fold a little and it will give you a look of some kind of basket, okay? Now what you have to do is you will place this here and you'll draw a circle. For that you need a pencil and a sharpener. This is not a sharp pencil, I'm gonna sharpen it. The paper basket can be drawn with the chart papers also. I usually need these computer sheets because they are easy to use. So this is the kind of a circle we have drawn. See, we have drawn. Now I'm going to cut it. This is the circle I have gotten from it. Whether it's not a proper shape, but I tried. I need to fix this. Oh, still, because I need to, yes. Press it harder. So oh my God, not that much harder. So we just have to do it like we should have to show it is able to paste. See, all you all can do is this is done. I am bringing one more thing, okay? This is a problem. Wait for me, I'm coming. So children, I was unable to paste with this. This is UHU stick. I got this UHU tube. You have to paste this on its edges. Okay. Now what we are gonna do, we have to place this holder on it. Now it is pasted. I need to wait so it could be fixed. Okay. See, it is fixed now. What you have to do now is, where is the paper gone? Where is the purple paper gone? Oh, it is here. I was searching it somewhere else. I need to cut its sides. I will apply same. See, it is fixed now. See, it is fixed now. Now I am going to apply this UHU on its edges. See, we have one from this side and one from this side. This has been pasted. This is a look of this, like see, from back side, from front side. Now I am going to draw a small flower of this yellow color. Let me draw the flower first. I'm going to draw the flower with the pencil. Now I am cutting it, see? I am cutting it. See, I'm cutting the flower and now I am going to paste the UHU again. And I'm going to fix this flower here. See? Oh, children, I didn't write day, but actually it's day. And they are day 1 to 4. Okay, day 1 to 4. Now the look of paper basket is something like this. See? It is a wonderful paper basket I have made for you. You can use it anywhere. You can put your pencils in it. See, these pencils can come in it. This marker I am putting. And you have to make it with a hard chart. I have drawn it with the paper. You can draw it with the hard chart. So this is a very beautiful small paper basket. I hope you have understood it well. All you can need for this is a UHU, a pencil, UHU stick, okay, a scissor, I need to cut the flower, and chart papers or computer papers, whatever is easy for you. These are the things, and this is the result we have gotten. Okay, class? This is about paper basket. I hope you have enjoyed it well. I will be meeting you in the next class. Please try it at home and do all of the things you can do. Take care. Allah Hafiz, class.